Welcome to today's PIB update. Let's quickly cover the top news from 24th September. Here is the first question. What is the WaveX platform for? A. India's first indigenous satellite launch system. B. A dedicated accelerator platform to support media and entertainment startups. C. A digital portal for maritime heritage conservation. Or D. A blockchain-based trade settlement system. Answer B. According to PIB, on 24th September, startup accelerator platform WaveX announces the launch of 7 new incubation centers to support media, entertainment and audio-visual sectoral startups. Moving on. Tour de Thar, an inaugural sports event, is associated with which sport? A. Marathon running. B. Motor rally. C. Cycling. Or D. Polo. Answer C. Cycling. On 24th September, PIB covered the launch of Tour de Thar, a cycling event aimed at promoting adventure sports, ecotourism, and cultural heritage in the Thar Desert region of Rajasthan. The initiative highlights sustainable tourism and showcases India's desert landscape as a global adventure destination. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding India's agricultural production. India is the largest producer of milk in the world. India is the second largest producer of rice globally. India is the leading producer of onion in the world. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Answer D. All of the above. PIB reported that Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will participate in World Food India 2025 at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. This program aims to showcase India's strengths in the food processing sector, food sustainability and the production of nutritious and organic food. Fourth question is, with reference to the Chief of Defence Staff, consider the following statements. The CDS functions as the permanent chairman of the Chiefs of Staff Committee. The CDS exercises military command over the 3 service chiefs. The CDS acts as the principal military advisor to the Defence Minister on all tri-service matters. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Answer B. 1 and 3 only. On 24th September, the government extended the service of General Anil Chauhan as Chief of Defence Staff and Secretary, Department of Military Affairs. Last question is, where is the headquarters of the Central Water Commission located? A. New Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Kolkata. Or D. Bengaluru. Answer A. New Delhi. On 24th September, PIB reported that Central Water Commission is organizing virtual workshop on technology for efficient water management as part of the Sujlam Bharat Summit. Answer this bonus question in the comments. Great job finishing today's PIB MCQs. For more practice, check out these videos. They are packed with the next set of important questions you can't afford to miss. Don't forget to subscribe so you never fall behind in current affairs. See you tomorrow.